that word? Slow his zoom in or what?
We're trying to zoom in. That angle is absolutely atrocious.
Oh my god.
What?
I'm gonna sing that song again. I look greasy. Not cute. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. That is bright, I need to sit up. So I thought we'd do another vlog again. I'm not going to just do one day, I think I'm going to do it like over the weekend so it's a bit more interesting. Oak's having a break over there. You alright, Oak?
Yeah, I'm just reading some David Attenborough facts.
How fun. But yeah, I thought I'd start vlogging today because we're going on date night tonight, which is exciting. We haven't been on a date night for I actually don't know how long.
Date night?
Yeah.
Actually haven't, have we?
No? No, we've been to, the only time we've been out for food since we've been allowed to is Nando's. Or I can't go with how shy I am. I've been productive today, guys. I'm not just a sweaty mess. I will fix my makeup in a sec. But yeah, we're going to an Italian restaurant tonight, and we've never been to an Italian restaurant. Can you actually believe it?
Surely be out.
We haven't.
Vapiano's? Duh.
That's not Italian, I don't
What
think.
is it then? What is Vapiano's?
You need to Google that because I don't. It's got to be, hasn't it, actually?
Pasta, pizza.
Alright, I've been to Vapiano's twice when we went to Paris, but have you had it in England? No.
But that wasn't your point.
Why do you have to try and make me look stupid?
Because you are.
Anyway, we've never been to like an actual... See, I feel silly saying it now, but we've never had... Oh, you've ruined it now. I was going to carry on with what I was saying. We've never been to an Italian restaurant.
Are you going to...
In England. In England.
Oh, shut up.
Okay?
I'm going to think of one.
No, we actually haven't. And it's weird because my favourite food is like pasta. I saw this thing on Instagram the other day and it's like I'm a pasta slag. And that's just me. And Oak loves pizza, like we always get Asda pizzas and stuff, but we've never actually been to like an Italian restaurant in England.
We have, man. I swear we've got to have.
We haven't? You might not. No, we haven't.
We have, surely.
We definitely haven't. So yeah, I thought I'd bring you along with me for the weekend.
Did you know
What?
David Attenborough's least favourite animal
Yeah?
is a rat?
He wouldn't like you then. That was quite good for me actually.
That was crap.
But yeah, I'm going to take you along with me. I need to finish, not finish my makeup, but like touch up my makeup because I'm not going to redo it again, but I've gone for a more natural makeup look as well, guys. Let me know if you want to see a YouTube video on it. Someone asked me for it. Basically, I've done everything minus foundation. So if you're a dry skin gal like me, don't put foundation on it. It's actually a game changer. And I've actually not even put any bottom lash mascara on either. We're going to go downstairs now. We're going to pick out an outfit. And I've got a new bag to show you guys, which, oh my god. Oh, how nice is my new bag?
Your new bag is actually sick.
Oh no, I can't wait to
it?
show you. No, I'm going to do an unboxing for him in a sec.
Oh, okay.
I'm going to do an outfit first. I'm going to bring the bag out with me tonight.
Yeah, it's like...
Unreal.
It's just sick.
It's sick. Right, let's go pick an outfit. I've got some bits from Pretty Little Thing here. Might wear something out of this bag, but I don't know. So let's go and pick an outfit. So for outfit, I think I'm going to wear... I've got these new grey jeans from PLT, and then... I don't know which top to go for. I feel like I'm probably going to go for this one, which is like a plain... You know, one of them tops where you go like that, and then like that, basically. Or I've got this option. I don't think this is going to go with my shoe choice. So we can do that. I'm going to wear these Jordans. But then the bag, oh my god guys, I wanted to show you the bag. I'm going to unbox it for you because this is bougie. So I wanted to show you guys my new bag. So I've literally based the whole outfit around this bag. I mean, can you guess what colour the bag is? But look at this, look how it opens. Like, so this is like a luxury designer bag. They're made in Italy. Wait until you see it. So this is how the box opens. Teddy Blake designer handbags made in Italy. But look how they're packaged. How beautiful is this? And then you take the bag out of this plastic wrapper. The bag also comes in bubble wrap, so it's like extra protection on there so your bag's not going to get damaged in the post or anything. And it also comes in its own little dust bag. How cute is this? Then we get to the little dust bag, and if we take it out of here, it's so beautiful. Oh my god. How insane is this bag? Look at the colour of it. I don't own any bags that are blue, so I needed like a royal blue bag. This is so beautiful. So this little bag is called the Kate Vitello 9-inch royal blue bag. And how unreal is it? I love the colour of it. I feel like this is such a good size bag because you can fit everything you need in there. Like you can fit your card, your keys, your ID if you're going out. This is like a perfect night out kind of bag. But if you want to wear it more like day to day as well, if you look on the inside, it comes with like a crossbody strap, so you can wear it as like a crossbody bag, which is really cute. I feel like I'm more just walk around with it like this. Like, I can't wait to wear this. I'm going to use this tonight. Put all my stuff in there that I need. Like, this is a cute little date night bag. So inside the bag it is quite roomy, and then it does also have like a zip each side with like extra compartments. So if you wanted to keep your cards in there so they're a little bit more secure, you can do that. It's the perfect little bag. I think the little handles are so cute. Love the size of it. It's like a little envelope bag, and then it just says Teddy Blake New York in gold writing on the front. With bags, I feel like sometimes less is more, and this is just a perfect little bag. This is so cute. The quality of this is an absolute joke in a good way. Like, this is going to last you forever. You're going to get so much use out of this bag, so it's definitely worth the price tag that comes along with it. But for a designer bag, the price tag isn't even that bad. Like, the price tag is good. I'm just obsessed, and I can't wait to put on my little blue outfit, my little blue bag. So I'm going to put that on now, and we can just feel the vibes together. This is so cute. I'm actually in love. So a massive shout out to Teddy Blake for working with me on this part of the video. But yeah, let's get changed, put the little bag on, and get ready for date night. We've got about half an hour to leave, so I need to hurry up because I need to redo some of this makeup. I need to get dressed. I need to re-straighten these little flicky bits of hair. So we're a race against time. Let's hurry up. Let's do this. We're here, but we're like 10 minutes early, so we're sitting in the car. I was going to do an outfit of the day, but because it's raining, we might have to do it in the car.
And we thought we was going to be late.
But they're saved us a seat over there underneath the umbrella, so we're not going to get rained on. But I'll show you what I'm wearing. This top is from Shein. Jeans, pretty little thing. I got this blazer also from Shein. Jordans, and then of course the star of the show. Cute little bag. I love this bag. It's so cute. Good size as well.
Just makes your outfit then.
Yeah. I feel like an outfit's not complete without a bag. And all the different tones of blue.
It's a new thing, innit? There's all them little bags.
Yeah.
Think of the food.
I'm very full. I had a pizza, pasta, garlic bread.
To share. Well, no.
Pasta each.
Pasta each, garlic bread, pizza. Garlic bread and pizza to share. Rating out of 10 though.
Solid 9 out of 10.
That's the Ville gone. Everyone knows what that means.
The UK version. We're back in the car. We couldn't vlog anything because it was so loud. We had a group of about 6 like middle-aged women behind us. And you know when they have a bit to drink and they think they're funny. Loud laughing, like fair play, they're having a good time, but obviously I couldn't vlog because you wouldn't have to
I am
hear
to be
me.
like that when I'm that age. Anyway.
Yeah, like if I'm not 50 with my friends, drunk, being annoying at a table, and we haven't made it in life. Me and Oak have made the decision we're going to get drunk tonight.
Valentine's Day Part 2.
Valentine's Day Part 2. Let's hope Oak doesn't get into the state he got into last time, because that was... Yeah, actually, it usually is me. Like,
mate.
I'm usually with the one that's a mess, but last time, Valentine's Day, Oak was lying down like this, and he's going, and he threw off, and I had to clean his stick out of the bucket. That is what you call true love, when you clean the stick out of someone.
No, you didn't. You made me do it.
Stop lying. That's a lie, everyone. That is a lie. We're gonna go to like a drink shop, and then we're gonna get drunk. I don't know how much of it I want to vlog because I think we're gonna have music on. We're gonna have like a little date in the conservatory.
Don't want to get
I don't want to get copyrighted, so
have to mute it before we speak for a minute.
listen, silence.
What, the AirPods on?
That's actually a good idea. Silent disco. Mad, if I be out wearing a jolly and the all I wanna roll with the beats. I get my weed from California, that's that shit. Oh, whoa, can I stay up?
I gotta come in there.
If you can't afford that bag that you want, then I won't leave that for you. Over the world, one step at a time, just you and I. We got a good thing. Don't know if I'ma see you again. Twinkle Toes. Good morning. Good morning, Twinkles. Good morning. Oh, happy Sunday. Happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday, we've got breakfast. So I made Oak his bacon, scrambled egg and beans. And then, guess what I've got? A baguette. And a glass of milk. Weather today is so nice. It was supposed to rain literally all week and all weekend, but it's 16 degrees, the skies are blue. It's just gonna be a good day. What have you got planned for today, Oak? Tell her. Oh.
Football at 3, golf at 5. It's gonna be difficult. I'm gonna get food in.
Because Oak's trying to be healthy now, so he can't even get a takeaway. Like, you can't get to McDonald's or KFC. Well, you can get to KFC.
What, on the way back from football?
Yeah. I woke up with a headache this morning because of last night, but it was a good night to be fair, I know.
Yeah, you can tell that a bit.
Yeah, I woke up feeling a bit rough, so I got up, brushed my teeth, and now I'm eating breakfast because I'm starving. I don't know how I'm hungry after all the food we ate yesterday though. Yeah, yesterday was good, but I didn't feel drunk at all until we went to bed. And I was like, whoa. But I did drink a lot. Let me show you the vodka bottle. So this is what's left in the vodka bottle. Oak only had 1 drink out of it and then he went to beer, so I drank a lot. But because I had food, it didn't hit me straight away, like it took ages. And then as soon as I got into bed, I was like, whoa. It was a good night though. I like when me and Oak have like little date nights in the conservatory. We did it Valentine's Day. That was when Oak got absolutely smashed and it was hilarious. Did it yesterday. There's all flies in here. But I'll show you the sky. It's literally blue skies today. Look at this. It was supposed to rain literally all weekend and all week, and this is what we've got. Ignore the fact I've got no lipstick on. I'm mid getting ready, but Oak's provided the goods. We've got a Peri Fino. If you're ever in Birmingham, that is a place you need to try. Someone asked me yesterday, they were passing through Birmingham and asked where they should go for food. I told them to go to Peri Fino and they loved it, so you need to go. Completed it, mate. The Instagram pictures are done. It's now 7:15. I've had a really productive day. I think I've got like 6 Instagram pictures, and Oak's gone to play golf, so he's probably not going to be in the vlog for the rest of today, but because he's at golf I had to come out and take my own Instagram picture. So a little tip, if you've got no one to take your Instagram pictures, get a tripod and then one of these little Bluetooth clicker things and just take them yourself. That's what I've done today. To be honest, sometimes I actually prefer how they look when I take them myself. So but I've come on a Sunday, so there's no one here, like the car park is literally empty. I'm gonna go home now. I'm absolutely sweating, like even though it's actually 17 degrees, but the skies are grey. Like it was really hot earlier when the skies are blue, but it's been grey since about 5. And you think it would have cooled down, but no, it's still 17 degrees. I'm literally sweating, but I think I'm gonna reward myself now with a little Coke from McDonald's. And then yeah, I'm gonna go home and probably just chill for the rest of the evening, to be honest. So yeah. These sound unreal. I definitely need to try those. Cheese and herb melts. Not today. Today's not the day, but I need to try those. But the goods! I just actually swear to God, there's nothing better than a McDonald's Coke. Every time, they're just unreal. Oh my God. I don't know what it is about McDonald's Coke. I feel like I say it every single time I have one, but I don't know what they put in it, but they're just next level. Cheers everyone to a successful Instagram day. But now my back is actually in bits, like my back is killing me. But yeah, I'm gonna go home now. Probably lie down for a bit, might have a bath, might treat myself to a bath. And then I'm just gonna chill for a bit. So, see you when I'm at home. I actually can't believe I'm about to say this, but me and Oak have just been to the gym. Me and Oak, well, I say me and Oak. Oak goes to the gym, but me, I'll never go to the gym. I'm just sick of being unfit, so I decided to go today. Me and Oak have made a bet. Not even a bet, like a deal. And that is we have to go to the gym together 3 times a week, and if we don't go, one of us has to forfeit. So if I don't want to go for one of the days of the week, I'm not allowed to upload on YouTube for a week. If I'm gone off YouTube for a week, you know why I haven't gone to the gym. And then Oak's is if he doesn't go to the gym, then he's not allowed to do any sport for a week, which is like a killer for him. Yeah, if I do disappear off YouTube for a week, then it's because I didn't go to the gym. So that is like determination, because I don't want to not be on YouTube for a week. So I have to go to the gym 3 times a week. So it's Monday today. So I went today, then I'm going to go Wednesday and Friday. So pray for me. Healthy Queen is coming. Oh God. I don't know what I've got myself into this, because you know there's just going to be some days where you don't want to go to the gym. I can already feel it's going to happen soon. So I'll just come on here and end the vlog now, because I've got so much to do today that I'm not actually going to have a chance to pick up the camera, and then I'm back at work from tomorrow. So I just thought I'd end this vlog here. I don't actually remember what is in this vlog, so I hope it was entertaining. Oh, we had date night actually, so yeah, date night was really nice. It was nice to like be able to go out and have food somewhere, whereas from next week we can actually go inside, so I feel like a lot more date night vlogs will be coming, so yeah. Today we hit 9,000 on YouTube, which is absolutely crazy, and I'm so grateful for every single one of you that subscribes, so thank you so much if you are one of them. A massive giveaway is coming at 10k, so if you're not subscribed, make sure you do. But yeah, I'm going to end this video here, so thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy it, smash a big thumbs up. Also, if you want to treat yourself to a new little handbag, I will leave my discount code on the screen, and also the link to the bag that I got will be down below. But yeah, go and treat yourself to a new bag. I feel like you deserve it. You need a new bag when we come out of lockdown, so a nice bag that you can bring inside a restaurant, that you can bring out for drinks. Go and treat yourself. I've got so many different colours and styles on there, it's actually crazy. But yeah, I will see you guys very soon with a brand new video. I hope you have a lovely week, and I will see you guys, I don't know what day. Bye.